Boom, boom, bang, bing. It's your boy Jamaican J with another WarPip video, man. Word up. I can't even pronounce it. WarPip. Yeah. So, in the last video, we reached quite a good distance, man. So, we're going to try to see if we could complete this map, at least complete this map. You know what I'm saying? Because if I die one time, I'm going to have to start all over again. 21 gun salute to all my subscribers and all my viewers. If you're a first time viewer, do remember to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. It is much appreciated on this channel. Word up, your boy appreciates it, man. Word up. Do remember to follow me on TikTok, Jamaican J _ X. Also on Twitter, X _ Jamaican J 4. Word up. Yeah, man, so let's get to it. We're going to continue exactly where we left off in the last video. So let's look at our loadout. Man, we don't have a lot of soldiers, man. Let's go to the upgrades. We got 65. We could buy some vests, yo. Let's buy some vests. Okay. We could buy some soldiers. Okay. Loadout. Alright, so they got some vests on them. I don't know if it's going to do much difference anyway. Alright, so let's see our mission. So these guys are truck and okay. And these guys are just truck. Let's go over here, man. We're going to bring this guy and just this guy. I'm trying to save my sniper. And let's bring this rocket and some tear gas. And I want to try to save on my oil a little bit. Let's go. I'm just going to use the rockets for a little bit. Only got 4 though. Move on up, bro. Move on up. Oh, come on, bro. Defend right there, man. Just defend right there. Reinforcement on its way. Reinforcement on its way, man. Oh, man, they're moving. Vicious. And I ain't got no rockets right now. Show some of this tear gas out there, man. Alright, I need to rank up some more army guys, man. More army guys. Rockets, rockets! Attack, attack! They soft. Attack them, yo. Rockets, man. Need some rockets over here. Alrighty then. Okay, so we got some dogs. Okay. Let's buy some of this, let's buy some of that. So we got one of that, three of this, three of that. Let's see the map. Let's see our objection. Alright, so if we take over here, we get this. Yo, I'm going here, bro. Here. This is where I'm going. Look at this. High value. Man, I'm going over there. Let me see who I should bring. I should bring the foot soldiers, definitely. Bring the doggies. And bring the commandos. Yeah. I could bring some of that. I should bring something like alright, let me bring this too. Don't want to underestimate the enemy. Because this is a big mission. Yeah, we're going for that rocket silo. Yeah. Alright, so let's put up some one there, one there. One there. Gotta cover that bridge over there. Nobody don't pass. Oh, look what they got right here. They got watchtower. Okay. I should put one right here. Get them dogs out there. Come on, soldiers, hold off that. Oh, I need more soldiers. My bad, my bad. We gotta hold off these guys, man. Yo, they got a lot of barbed wires down. They prepared. Yo, they prepared for us. Get them dogs out, man. Get them dogs out. Oh man, they overpowered us. I mean, we need some help up here with these guys, man. Yo, they got a good reinforcement, I'm telling you. They got good reinforcement. We need to pass these barbed wires, man. Gotta get them dogs out, man. What a war, boy. Yo, attack these fools, man. Damn, I ran out of juice. Defend this, bro, man. Defend. Attack now, bro. Attack. We gotta get off this bridge. Gotta get off this bridge, man. Can't get off this bridge. We can't get past this bridge. Okay, attack, man. Attack, attack. Gotta get over this fucking bridge. We ain't gonna. We gotta do something. Yeah, man, we tired of this shit. Yep. Man, that was a fucking... It's getting tougher. This war is getting tougher. Alright, we got that. We got some barrel of oil. Yeah, man, we good. So we only got this. This. Okay. Arms dealer. I got 45. So upgrades. This upgrade. Okay, I'll buy this, man. What's this? Arms dealer slot. Okay. And what's this? So what is? And this one is what? Let me see what he got in the You know what? Let me buy the rocket cell. Alright, let's see where we're going. We don't even know where we're going next. What is their resource? Foot soldiers and... What's their resource? I'm gonna go for this resource right here. They got buggies and stuff. Alright. So what we're gonna need for the buggies, man? We're gonna need this for the buggies. Okay, alright. Bring out the foot soldier. Bring out some of them dogs. Bring out... And... rockets. Yeah. Bring out one of this guy too, man. Nah, save him. See, they got a fucking watchtower there. That shit is gonna kill my guys. Get them dogs out there, man. Only got 2 rockets left. Oh, missile master, okay. At least I unlocked something. Yeah, wait for that guy, yeah, wait for that guy. I had to rush them just now. Ah, man, these damn buggies. Get the dogs out. Who let the dogs out? Hur, 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 hur. Rush these fools, man. Come on now. Rush these fools. Rush these fools, man. Alrighty. It's about time. Alright, let's see what we got. We got a soldier. We got some technician. Tactician, I mean, not technician. Tactician. Alright, so we got some mercenary. And some barbed wire. Okay, we're getting there. We're getting to that white flag. But we just need to collect some good soldiers along the way. Alright, so let's see how much money we got. Trying to upgrade something. Okay, let's get this, man. To unlock rare powerful items. That can't be bad. Alright. Buy some more rockets. Oh shit, look at this. Can I afford this? That's a damn tank. Look at my loadout. Okay. Buy some more rockets. I got a damn tank, yo. Okay. Let's see where we're gonna take over. What they got to offer? They got dog. What they got to offer? They got barbed wire. Alright, let's go for here, man. Load out. I ain't gonna bring the tank on this one. I don't think I need the tank. Trying to save that tank. Let's bring this guy and this guy. Yeah, save the tank for a later time. Alright, let's go. Yeah, you gotta be smart, man. You gotta save up this stuff. Can't use up your good stuff too early. Alright, we got 42 seconds for that guy. Alright, cool. Get them up. I need to get this shit right here down, man. Oh, there we go. Damn. That ain't good. I don't look good at all. I need to expand the army a little bit. Need some more cash. Yo, they're just dying off right here, man. Like, what's killing them right there, man? Yo, hold the line, man. Gotta hold the line here now. Yo, they got too much trucks down here. Alright, let's get some more guys down here, man. Put a barrier there and one there. Alright, let's go. Let's go. We got to rush these guys. We got to rush these guys. They got too much trucks. Rush them, man. Come on, I gotta rush them. Damn, we can't pass this fucking line. I'm trying to send up as much soldiers as possible, man. They got all these damn trucks down here. Yeah, this is it's hard to get on this base, huh? They're not giving up so easy, bro. Okay, rush in now, bro. Here's your chance. Wow, that was not easy, War. That was not easy at all. So we only got 2 to go then. Okay. Getting there, we're getting there, getting there. Alright, I'm getting this guy right here. Let me look at my loader. I don't need no more of that. Let me get this. Let me get this. Alright. Okay, so this. Let me see what this got. This got dogs. And you get the kamikaze drones. Alright, you know what? I'd rather go for this first. And then go for that. Alright, here we go. I'm making sure I bring tactician, fucking sniper, bringing everybody and their mama. Okay, let me see that. Should I bring some kind of, I'll bring some of this stim pack. I'm saving these guys, I'm saving everybody else for the, I think this should hold it. How much machine gun I got? 1, that's it. Got a sniper. I should be good though. Alright, let's go. Alright, let's get these guys out there. Don't let them pass this damn bridge. Yeah, we gotta make sure we run this bridge right here. So every time you sell a barrel of oil, you get money. Alright, we need some snipers out here, bro. I better call in some airstrikes. Good. Need an next sniper out here. Okay, foot soldiers, you gotta go in, man. Y'all guys gotta go in. Right, let's give them some stim pack. That was easy enough. Yeah, man, I think the best way to play this game is on hardcore. I got 25 Warbucks. Okay, one more before the last finale. Alright, let's see. Arms dealer. See what you got for me, man. Okay, so this is the oil rig. Let me get an oil rig, man. How much for this? Damn, I can't get that. Damn. I got 10. Get some foot soldiers then. I don't really need that smoke shit, man. Alright. So I got my machine gunner. I got 4 of this. I got that. Alright. So we get this, that's what they got. Alright. So they're gonna have that truck with the fucking loadout. I'm gonna bring the oil rig too. Alright, so bring commandos, tactician. Still gonna save this guy for the last one, because I don't know what I got in store for the last one. I got a tactician. I could bring the dogs on this one. Bring the oil rig. You know what? Don't bring this one. Bring this one. And let's get some kamikaze up in here. Alright, man, we ready? So everything is on a timer. Okay, we gotta get the soldiers out then. Yo, they got a sniper. They got a sniper in that tower. Who let the dogs out? Yeah, we gotta take this bridge over. That's all we gotta do. Make sure we hold this bridge. Alright, let's get this oil rig down, man. Let's put it over there. Get the oil rig down. So we could make some money. Alright, let's get some drones over there. And attack these fools, man. They're trying to take over the bridge. Damn. Yeah, man, we getting that. We're getting there. All right, let's go now. Let's move. Attack. Attack. The rebels are coming, man. Rebels are coming. Yo, they put up a good fight, I ain't gonna lie. Okay. Final chapter. Final chapter. Let's see what they got. They got Superstar Tanya. They got Superstar Tanya. Look at the rewards though. Alright. Alright, you got sniper. I'll take a sniper, bro. I'll take a rocket and I'll take this. Alright, now this is the... Let's bring the tanker out, man. It's about that time. Foot soldier. You know what? You could stay. I'm not even bringing out those guys. I'm just gonna use this, that, and the doggies. Okay, hold on. What about defenses? Huh? What about defenses, man? Barbed wires and all these stuff. And one of these oil rigs, man. Oh, they got mines. Okay. Let's put up our barbed wires then. Let's put up our barbed wires. Since they want to play like that. Oh man, I got time. Oh, they got snipers over there. Okay. Let the dogs out, man. Them dogs ain't no joke. Okay, here come the machine gunner. I need to get that oil rig up. Sniper. Hold it down, sniper. Hold it down, sniper. Hold it down, sniper. They're trying to make a move. Oh damn, the sniper dead. Damn. Here comes Tanya. Yeah man, I will turn you guys back. Piece of shit. Get them dogs out there. Gunners ain't no joke. Yeah, watch them mines though, bro. Watch them mines. Oh shit. Damn mines, man. These guys are not giving up so easy. Defend, man. I need a, how much money I need for the tank? 150 bucks? Damn. I need $100 more. Alright, here go the tank, boy. Here go the tank. Get them dogs in here, man. Damn, they blew up my damn tank. Get a sniper up here, man. Need a sniper. We're running out of money quick, man. We're gonna gotta forget oil tank up here. Put an oil tank over here. Attack, bro. Get them dogs out here, just in case. Yep, and that's it, bro. So we complete the first half of the map. Yeah. Achievement unlocked. Total domination. Achievement unlocked. Island instigator. Yeah, man. Oh, so see, we got a new island. No, this is the island we just captured. Oh, see, now it's a new island. Look at that. Yeah, man, but this is where we're going to leave the video. And in the next video, we're going to continue from this island and see if we could take over this island, because we're going to have, let me see, let us check out what we could unlock. Rewards, you know, I'm trying to see the rewards. Oh, look at that. You could get the tanks. You know what I'm saying? You could get the shields. You could get the Hummer. So yeah, let me see what we're here. Oh, we could get the plane. Man, there's so much stuff to unlock, man. So next episode, we'll continue from here. 21 gun salute to all my subscribers and all my viewers. First time viewer, do remember to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Your support is much appreciated. Word up. Do remember to follow me on TikTok, JamaicanJ__X. Also on Twitter, _JamaicanJ4. Thanks for watching. God bless. One.